Welcome to Module 1 in ECE 111, Health, Safety, and Nutrition. In this module, we'll take a look at the 3 levels of oversight in providing healthy and safe environments for early childhood education. The first level is the state level, or perhaps even national. The state of Delaware has center regulations for licensing that help centers maintain safe and healthy conditions for operation. The second level is at the center level, where teachers and other early childhood professionals can rate the environment of a classroom setting and determine the quality and any areas that may need to be adjusted for improvement. The third level is at the teacher or assistant teacher or other ECE professional level for those who work with children directly and interact daily. At this level, we will talk about daily health observations and screenings that will allow teachers and other ECE professionals to determine immediate needs regarding children's health, safety, and nutrition.